κόκκινα φεγγάρια, Motorcycle Rock Show.
So ladies and gentlemen, probably you will see this video at the end of October, but the point is that now is the end of July here in Chania of Creta and everything is so paradise. You know, we are near to the sea and then I stop my voice, you can hear the sound of the waves because the microphone do a focus to the waves. It's so nice and you can see all that thing, all this Cretan Pelagos Sea and all this lovely thing that we call it Greece. And in this lovely thing that we call it Greece, from our neighbors the Italians, we have this motorcycle here that is an additional motorcycle for 100 years of Moto Guzzi. 1921, 2021 and Moto Guzzi V85 Tete Tuttoterreno Centario. Is it a good bike? Of course it's a good bike. It's a perfect bike. It's okay. So let's see now the details about this lovely motorcycle. Ladies and gentlemen, what we got here, what makes this motorcycle additional for the 100 years of Moto Guzzi? The colors and the details. We have these lovely colors. It's very beautiful motorcycle. We got this golden eagle and we got here this Moto Guzzi that is writing here with a lovely golden letters. This is looks like a leather. It's very beautiful and we got also the stickers of Centaurium on it and many things. So what is about it? First of all, let's be on the bike and see what we got. Oh, it's so lovely the seat. It's so lovely the seat. I love it. Also, we have protection for our hands. We got protection for the engine. We got only single stand. We got a rubber here for our legs and we got the rubber also for the second rider. The most important difference with the model before is the wheels, because now the wheels are tubeless. It's not like the model before. And we got this windscreen that is protecting us enough till somewhere here and everything is okay. We got a clock, we got electric here to plug something. We got mirrors that give us good view back. We have here all the controls in the correct position for electronics, for everything. I have a bit of problem with the flash. It's a little bit strange for me, but if you are buying this bike, you are using to it and everything it's okay. And the ankle is nice. I am a bit protected also from the water because the cylinder and the tank is protect me. Those are plastics. The key is in here and we got a bit of space here that is open with a key from here. So protection here, handles to lift things and etc. And let's see now with Georgia, how is this bike with two riders? Yeah!
Oh, perfection!
What perfection?
I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
You feel comfortable?
Very.
So we are comfortable, both of us, to make the round of the world in a Tuttoterreno in all, in a dirt, in a street, in everywhere, and feel also like the English and fly? Ah! 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 It's okay, it's okay. The English fly, the dog is barking, and everything is lovely here in Creta, because we are living in the paradise. Hollywood, ladies and gentlemen, you can see that this is not an Italian Cinecittà show, this is a Hollywood show. You can see here we have too many blibliki around, and the blibliki here, I don't know what it is, but looks nice. So we got a fuel counter, we got RPM counter, we got a total kilometer counter that is 805, we got the clock, and we got a daily trip, and too many trips that I can control with from my right hand. From here you can see too many things unchanged. Here also I have the programs that I have 5 programs, that the one of them is the program that I made for it. But anyway, must be the engine on. So I have to start the engine, and then from the starter button I change the programs. You see, rain, custom, mine program, off-road, sport, and road again. Yeah! And don't forget, always a Trustful Moto Guzzi is moving like this. Alone is limit. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I feel comfortable. I have a good view back. I am well protected, and let's hear the sound of a V19 transverse engine. That it sounds good, but it's funny because always is moving like this kind of engine. So let's start. The gearbox is soft, but not so soft as the model before. And let's see if we can change easily directions. Yes, we can do it because we have an easy bike with us. And let's see now the brakes. Oh, we have a good brakes, and the powerful, it's good enough to lose my camera. Oh, okay, it's a lovely bike. Okay. This is the same engine almost with a model before, but because it's a Euro 5, which is a little bit weaker, it's a little bit different the gearbox, but it's almost the same engine. Lovely engine, good enough for this motorcycle, trustful, air-cooled, typical Moto Guzzi engine. It's 853 cubics that give us 80 horses at 7,750 RPM, 80 Nm at 5,000 RPM. It's got it's a single overhead, it's got a 6-speed shaft and a single adjuster. We don't have adjuster from the other side. Also the back fork is a bit different than the model before, and of course because this is a Euro 5, it's a weaker, but is using less fuels, officially something like 4 to 5 liters per 100 kilometers. The result is that this bike is got a lovely engine, good enough for the purpose of this motorcycle and good enough to moving around the world and around your city. So I am very positive, as always, to Moto Guzzi engines. Lovely, the lights that I love. It's not like this, like some other models. This is lovely lights with the angle on it. I love it. Also this nice color with a sticker of 100 years. We have this big fork, a very good one. I see this lovely work on the exhaust. Anyway, it's a beautiful bike here. We have 2 Brembo discs that they got 4 pistons for each side. It's ABS, and back we have also a brake that is not a Brembo, it's something, I don't know. Anyway, it's a back brake. The point is that for dirt those brakes are too much, but it's good for anything else, for the city, for the travel, for everything else except the dirt. These brakes are excellent, and because I believe that there is not so many owners that they will buy this bike to go on the dirt, but mostly they will move on the city or some of them for traveling, I consider those brakes as excellent for this purpose. Quality. I don't know what's going on time because this is a brand new, not even 1,000 kilometers motorcycle. We tested with less than 1,000 kilometers. Thank God we got friends in this show and we don't need the dealers. So lovely. Everything is made perfectly. The paint is perfect. If you will see the seat cover here, it's not a simple seat cover. It's a piece of art. I love it. Also, I love the details. Take a look the angle. And it's a good made. Everything is so lovely, all the details, especially if you see the wheels on the exhaust, it's nice. I like every detail. Also some small details like the color of the steppers or as the position of the stand, they are better now than the model before and easier and more friendly for the user. And the wheels, everything is so nice bike, so good made bike that I love it. It's nice, it's 1,000% good made bike, good quality bike. Okay, what about it? I will tell you the truth. The bike for the dirt. We got few positive things. First, it's not too high and it's very easy to step down. Secondly, we have a nice angle here and we can turn inside the path very easy. By the other hand, we have a bike that don't like so much the dirt and we have a bike that is stepping okay inside the dirt if you think that we have this kind of wheels on it. So finally, for enduro is not this bike, you understand it, but if you are traveling, if you want to pass a path, even a big path, kilometers path, then you can do it. So it's okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a lovely motorcycle. It's good for the city, it's good for traveling. It's not good for the dirt, but at least you can disconnect the ABS, so at least you can move okay on dirt. And it's so beautiful, so good made, and it's in so good price. I love it. And also is a Centario motorcycle. It's additional. What I would like to have more in this motorcycle is a bit of fairing more, little bit more of windscreen, or at least to moving up and down. Also I would like to have a second fender normally down here, that if I want to have something like this, I have to buy it from Piaggio, and this is not correct because this must be on standard for this bike. This must be standard for any bike. This must be standard for any bike, not to buy it as an extra. Anyway, so, and also I would like to have a little bit more power, but it's just a V2 of 850 cubics air cool, so what can I get? This is enough. So, otherwise, I love it. I'm very positive, 99% positive to this motorcycle. Georgia, please come to tell us about it also.
I have to tell you I'm 100% positive about this bike because it looks good.
So Georgia now is going to sell the XTX and is going to buy a TT because there is something common between Georgia's XTX and TT. The both of them, they are stumps like this, like this.
Perfect height.
Even if you are a Smurf, you can ride it. Both of them, and the XTX of Georgia and the TT.
It's not person. So it got enough power, it got the right height, it got the right height,
Baba Strumpf, Strumpfita and all the Smurfs together.
What you are? Are you very tall? You're not. Okay. So
we don't speak about me, we speak about the motorcycle now.
100% fantastic bike.
So, 100% fantastic bike. I can't say nothing. Georgia is Georgia. Women. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ioannis and Georgia for Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us. Το χρόνο σας χάνετε, αλλά εντάξει, δεν είναι. Πάρε μωρέ Γεωργιά, πάρε το φτερό και φύγε. Πάρε το φτερό και φύγε. Θα βγάλω τώρα εγώ αυτό εδώ πέρα να δείξω ότι είμαι ποιοτικός τύπος. Quality person, me quality. Other level, the lowest ever, other level.